Baking a whole eggplant for recipe use. We'll be needing eggplants of your choice. To fill 1/4 tray lined with butter paper. Poke each eggplant 4 times with a fork. Place the tray of eggplants in a preheated oven on the highest temperature at 250 degrees Celsius or 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the tray on the top rack, leaving 3 inches from the top burner. Leave 30 minutes to cook. After 30 minutes, open the door of the oven standing on the side. The oven is too hot, it will emit a lot of steam. Now pull out the tray and turn each eggplant 45 degrees or on the side that is not cooked, and cook it again for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, place the eggplants in a bowl and close the lid on them for 10 minutes. And now they're ready to peel easily. They're ready to use in recipes. You can preserve them in glass jars or freeze them up to 6 months.